Watch the bird. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a bird flying reveal animation in PowerPoint. It's smooth and super easy, and I'm gonna give you a bonus template at the end of the video after you understand the principle of this animation. Alright, I'm gonna straight to the point. Right click, let's put every line guides on every edge of the slide. 2 vertical guide and 2 horizontal guide. Just put it like this so we can always have clue about where to put the object so it can be shown in presentation. Now insert a background picture, go to crop option, and then make sure the picture can fill all of the slide. Go to insert, now you can add your text boxes. I don't want to waste your time, so I have my text prepared in my clipboard. That's why I just paste all of the text here. So let's say you're ready about your slide. Go to insert and click an image of bird flying. Make sure you have it in PNG format. Now move the bird to the corner outside of the slide. Go to insert, shapes, and then draw a rectangle shape with the bird as the guide. Just draw it like this and make sure it has same width with the bird wings. Get rid of the outline, send it backward. Increase the length of the rectangle in front of the bird. Go to edit shape, click on edit points. So here we're gonna edit the shape behind of the bird. In this case, you can click on some part of the rectangle and drag it to the front side like this. You're just gonna make sure to get rid of the shape behind of the bird. No need to rush, guys. Alright, once you're done, select and block the bird and the rectangle, Ctrl G to group it. You can always change the color of the shape to match your slide color. By holding Ctrl and Shift key, drag the picture to make it bigger. Here, you just need to make sure if the rectangle side fills all of the slide. Once you're done, go to animation, scroll down to motion path and click on lines animation. Here, just drag the red dot to another corner to outside of the slide like this. Change the duration. And here, this is how it looks when you play it in preview mode. Super easy, right? Even a kid can do it. Of course, after they watch this video. Now, let me give you another easier flying bird tutorial that I think even a baby can do it. Alright, so let me give you another slide by duplicate this slide. Let's say you have your slide ready like this. Now, insert a PNG bird flying picture like before. Draw a rectangle like before. Make sure it has same width with the bird wings. Adjust the length, remove outline, send it to back, and then edit the shape so that the shape not visible behind of the bird wings. Change the shape color and then group it with the bird. By holding Ctrl and Shift key, drag to make it bigger. Make sure it fills all of the slide. Alright, here's why it's much easier. Because here you just duplicate the slide, and in the next slide you just need to move the bird across to another corner outside of the slide. So here you just need to go to transition, select and block the slides, and then add morph transition. And boom. That's how easy it is. But if you still want more variation, you can go to the last slide, select the background picture, and while holding Ctrl and Shift key, drag the picture up to make it bigger like this. So when you go to preview mode, the background is gonna move like this. Looks cool, right? Okay, if you want more straight to the point PPT tutorial, feel free to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.